Hello, I'm Darren from Miro AI Studio. Here are 4 ways to generate better diagrams in Miro faster. Instead of starting from individual diagramming shapes, use the Formats menu to start faster with diagramming. Click the plus icon in the left toolbar, select Diagram, and click anywhere on the board. You now have 3 powerful options. Add shapes to access our library of over 2,000 specialized shapes for every diagram type. From flowcharts to cloud diagrams, UML diagrams, and many more. Start with a template built by diagram experts to begin with proven structures. Need to create a swim lane flowchart? A login UML sequence? Or an ERD diagram for CRM? Templates have you covered. Or use Create with AI and pick from flowchart, ER diagram, mind map, UML sequence diagram, or UML class diagram. When using Create with AI, be specific in your prompt to get better results. Try Create a flowchart for mobile app user onboarding, starting with email verification, including decision points for existing users versus new signups, with error handling for invalid credentials, and ending at the dashboard. The more details you provide about structure, decision points, and specific steps, the better your diagram will match what you actually need. Specific prompts generate precise diagrams instead of generic templates. Select sticky notes, docs, or research already on your board before generating a diagram. Open Sidekicks or use Create with AI, then choose Diagram and select Flowchart. In your prompt, tell Miro to generate a flowchart for the onboarding process. Miro uses your selected content as context instead of generic input. This generates diagrams that reflect your actual work, not templates. Diagram layers organize content within your diagram without affecting the rest of the board. Access layers by opening your diagram in focus mode. Put your happy path flow on layer 1, error handling on layer 2, and edge cases on layer 3. Hide layers during presentations to control information flow and keep audiences focused on what matters. Lock layers to prevent accidental edits to finalized sections while your team works on other parts. Layers turn complex diagrams into manageable, presentable structures. Share your diagram across multiple places while keeping everything synchronized. Drag your diagram into a Miro Doc to provide visual clarity and documentation. Resize and position it as needed. Or right-click your diagram, select Copy As, and then Copy and Sync, and paste it on another board. Multiple teams see the same diagram, and any changes to the original automatically update in all synced copies. Everyone stays aligned around a single source of truth, no matter where they are working. Did you know you could do all of this in Miro? But there is way more you can do around diagrams in the AI Innovation Workspace. So please let us know in the comments if you want a part 2 of this video. Ready to start creating? Click the link in the description to try Miro diagrams today. Subscribe for more Miro tutorials that improve your visual collaboration. See you in the next one.